Okay, good morning guys. I have a super busy day and I'm gonna try to cram in as much as I can. I didn't do any meal prep this weekend with Super Bowl and a long run and birthday parties and all that kind of stuff. So today, spaghetti squash, super fast in the InstantPot. And then I'm gonna roast some veggies and grill some, or brown some turkey patties that I bought at H-E-B, and I'll be done and it'll hold me over for a few days. So keep an eye on it. Okay, first step is I cut it in half. Some people say you can just stick the whole thing in there and it'll be good to go, but just to be sure and I don't have to double check it later, I just cut it in half. Here it goes. I'll add a little bit of water. Just kind of eyeball it a little bit. Okay, next up, my turkey burgers. All I did was use a little bit of olive oil in my pan. And these are cranberry and jalapeno. And let's see, they've got 26 grams of protein, 12 grams of fat. They're a little bit fatty, but right now I'm training, so I can use it. And there's only 4 carbs. So I think the fat is because of the cheese. It's got, I just noticed it has little white pieces of white cheddar cheese in there. I think it's fine. And then finally, I'm going to roast some green beans. These are super easy. I can microwave them, but I actually like them roasted because they're a little bit crispier and it tastes better. And I'm doing them in the toaster oven because I'm in a hurry and I don't have time to preheat that guy. So this is still going for 7 minutes. There's my green beans, which I have put in this little pan, and all I will do to this is spray with a little bit of oil, and then my very favorite lemon pepper. It does wonders for everything. Put it on that. I have some, I probably will do another batch, and then my turkey burgers are sizzling away. So by the time my spaghetti squash is done, most all this other stuff will be done too, and I'll be good to go, and I can head out. Oh yeah, and one last hack, how to do a sweet potato in a jiffy. Show you. First you wash it in the brush. Then you poke holes in it. So after you've punctured holes in your sweet potato, you take a paper towel. Okay, then do a good job looking at that. Wet a paper towel, wring it out, and then take this wet paper towel and wrap it around your sweet potato. Like that. And then you put this guy in the microwave. I can't remember the exact time. My microwave has a sensor for baked potatoes, but if you just put a baked potato in there by itself, it seems like it takes a really long time. When you do a wet paper towel trick, it goes by a little bit faster and it comes out really soft. So, this one's ready for when that one's done. All done. Green beans, spaghetti squash, turkey burgers, sweet potatoes, and here's the best part. This is the only cleanup. That's it. Not too shabby. Gotta go.